Hey guys, it's your girl Sheila, and I'm doing the viral TikTok grinder sandwich, chopped viral sandwich. Hope you enjoy this video and get my review of how it was. And eat with me. What's up, everybody? It's your girl Sheila. But Frank's not here right now. It's just me, Sheila. PromoSTK, reality TV, PromoSTK, eating good in the neighborhood. Oh yeah, baby. Y'all see what I got here? I got what they've been doing a TikTok on this, and it's been a while. So I'm just getting around doing it. This is a grinder sandwich. Yeah. Ooh. And it is going to be ooh good. Y'all, let me show y'all. It's going to be a messy sandwich, y'all. Let's go. Hey, cheese. Ooh. Look at that, y'all. Look at that sandwich. And it's going to be huge. Dear Lord, thank you for this food. That food nourish my body and crushes with prayer. Amen. Man. My blood sugar is low. I am hungry. Got my H2O water on the deck, y'all. It's messy, so y'all know what I do here. I'm gonna put my little makeshift bib here, so I won't mess up my dress. And wow, this is a big one. It's a big one. It's a big one, y'all. See how we're gonna do this. It's gonna be messy. Hope everybody having a beautiful, blessed day. Thank you guys for all my new subscribers. Yay! Thank you guys for all my returning subscribers. Yay! See how I pick this thing up. Ooh, it's going to be messy. It's already falling out. I should cut a piece and save a piece for Frank, but we'll see, because I might eat the whole thing. Yeah, it's messy. Turkey on here. Provolone cheese. Two different types of turkey. Yeah. Tomatoes, lettuce, pickles. Two different kinds of garlic and dill. Pretty good. Wow. Look at that. Look at that meat. A lot of meat. It's delicious. Yeah, all this right here is meat. It's like about an inch of meat right here, in addition to the turkey got up here. That's a lot of meat, y'all. Ooh. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm. I wish y'all could join me. Mm. Pause the video and go make y'all some. Or pause the video and go to the store, get stuff, and come back and make it and eat it with me. Mm. 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 Man, I don't think I can eat this whole thing. Mm. It's messy. Yeah. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Wow, it's delicious. Look at a big bite. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm. I want to go to a movie today and see the new Wesley Snipes movie, that stripping movie. Let me call Frank and see if he wants to come. Hey, Frank! Frank! He must have earpods in. His sauce is good too. It's really good. Very good. Next one, take the bread and dip it in there. Right there. Sauce is good. I'm gonna say. I did a great job with the sauce. If that's what you want to call it. Dressing, sauce, whatever. Let me know in the comment section what y'all call it. You know what this remind me of? It remind me of a hero sandwich. I used to get those in New York when I was a kid. They call them subs here, but we call them hero sandwiches in New York. I guess I don't have a wide mouth because I can't hardly get my mouth around the sandwich. Oh. Don't mess up now. Get up on here. Don't come out of my shirt. You're so straight or nothing. So straight. Listen. Need bread? I think I'm gonna have to start making my sauces like this when I eat these. When I make the sandwiches again, I might have to make one like this for Frank. I think next time I might put some jalapeno on here. Just a little bit of them, go. When I say light on the jalapeno, it may be like 1 or 2 cut up in here. That's it. Grindersandwich. Wow. Excuse me, y'all. Whew. The only thing I did not add on this sandwich was onions, because I don't do raw onions like that. What the kids say nowadays. Bussin'. This is bussin'. Which way to go? Y'all look at y'all food every time you take a bite. I don't know why I do that. There. Yeah. Messy. A good messy. No way I could eat this sandwich on the go. No way. Oh, give me a cry. Just making more room in the end. More room in the end, baby. This probably was a quick video, y'all. Got like 2 more bites. Last bite. Yeah. Yeah. That was a 10 out of 10. I didn't think I was gonna finish it, y'all. Y'all saw that thing was huge. But I did it. I did it. And didn't get nothing on my drip. Thank y'all for joining me. For eating with me. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Like, thumbs up the video, and share so other people can see me, and subscribe. So me and my hubby, me and Frank, and check out my other channels. It's in my description box below, y'all. That was good. All right, till the next video. Loves, hugs, and kisses to everyone out there. Bye. And don't forget, comment. I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. No, and you, and you, and you, and you, and And you too. I want to talk to you.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl, SheilaandFrank. Come on over and check out our channel, PromoSTK Reality TV, Husband and Wife, where we eat good in the neighborhood. We're a mukbang eating show, cooking and recipes, especially soul food, pranks on Frank. Oh, y'all go check it out. Challenges, vlogs, comedy skits, short videos, and TikTok. So come on and become our oh yeah baby today. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram, PromoSTK, or you can also go to any of our social sites and find us under PromoSTK. Oh yeah baby. We can't wait to see you. We can't wait to meet you. So come on over